Welcome. If you're looking to lose belly fat quickly but also want results that last, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the most effective and sustainable strategies for shedding stubborn belly fat. We'll cover the science behind fat loss, practical nutrition tips, exercise routines, and lifestyle changes that really work. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to break through a plateau, these tips are designed to help you achieve your goals in a healthy, lasting way. Let's dive in and discover how you can transform your body and boost your confidence. Before we get into the methods, it's important to understand what belly fat is and why it can be so stubborn. Belly fat, or visceral fat, is stored deep inside your abdomen, surrounding your organs. This type of fat is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's linked to various health risks, including heart disease and diabetes. Knowing the difference between subcutaneous and visceral fat helps you target your efforts more effectively. By focusing on overall fat loss and healthy habits, you can reduce both types and improve your well-being. Fat loss happens when you burn more calories than you consume, creating a calorie deficit. Your body then turns to stored fat, including belly fat, for energy. However, spot reduction, losing fat from just one area, is a myth. Sustainable fat loss requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. By understanding the science, you can set realistic expectations and avoid quick fixes that don't last. Let's explore how you can create a calorie deficit safely and effectively. Setting achievable goals is crucial for long-term success. Instead of aiming to lose a large amount of belly fat overnight, focus on gradual progress. Aim for losing 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is considered safe and sustainable. Track your progress with measurements, photos, or how your clothes fit, rather than just the scale. Remember, consistency is key. By setting realistic goals, you'll stay motivated and avoid the disappointment that comes with unrealistic expectations. Nutrition plays the most significant role in losing belly fat. Focus on eating whole, minimally processed foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reduce your intake of added sugars and refined carbs, which can contribute to fat storage around the abdomen. Portion control is also important. Try using smaller plates and paying attention to hunger cues. Remember, you don't have to follow a restrictive diet. Making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits can lead to big results over time. Protein is essential for fat loss because it helps you feel full, preserves muscle mass, and boosts your metabolism. Include a source of protein in every meal, think eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes. Higher protein intake can also reduce cravings and help you stick to your calorie goals. If you're active, protein is even more important for muscle recovery and growth. By prioritizing protein, you'll support your fat loss journey and maintain a healthy, toned body. Don't fear fats. Healthy fats are vital for your body and can actually help with fat loss. Sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide essential nutrients and keep you satisfied. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats, which are linked to health risks. Including moderate amounts of healthy fats in your diet can help control hunger and make your meals more enjoyable. Remember, balance is key. Combine healthy fats with proteins and fiber-rich foods for the best results. Fiber is another secret weapon for losing belly fat. Foods high in fiber, like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, help you feel full longer and support healthy digestion. Soluble fiber, in particular, can reduce belly fat by slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Try to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your meals and snacks. Not only will this help with fat loss, but it will also improve your overall health and energy levels. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but is crucial for fat loss. Drinking enough water helps control hunger, supports metabolism, and aids in digestion. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. You can also include herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon. Make hydration a daily habit for better results. Sugary drinks like soda, sweetened coffee, and energy drinks are a major source of empty calories and can contribute to belly fat. These beverages spike your blood sugar and insulin levels, promoting fat storage. Replace sugary drinks with water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. If you crave something sweet, try infusing your water with fruit or herbs. Making this simple switch can have a big impact on your fat loss journey and overall health. Snacking doesn't have to sabotage your fat loss goals. Choose snacks that are high in protein and fiber, like Greek yogurt, nuts, or veggie sticks with hummus. Avoid processed snacks that are high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Planning your snacks ahead of time can help you avoid impulsive choices and keep your energy steady throughout the day. Remember, snacks are an opportunity to nourish your body, not just fill a craving. When you eat can be just as important as what you eat. Some people find that eating smaller, more frequent meals helps control hunger and maintain energy. Others prefer 3 balanced meals a day. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so experiment to see what works best for you. The key is to avoid skipping meals, which can lead to overeating later. Consistent meal timing helps regulate your metabolism and supports your fat loss efforts. While nutrition is key, exercise accelerates fat loss and helps you maintain results. Both cardio and strength training are important. Cardio burns calories and improves heart health, while strength training builds muscle, which increases your metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, combining activities you enjoy. Remember, the best workout is the one you can stick with long term. Cardiovascular exercise, like brisk walking, running, cycling, or swimming, is excellent for burning calories and reducing belly fat. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is especially effective as it alternates short bursts of intense activity with recovery periods. This approach burns more calories in less time and keeps your metabolism elevated even after your workout. Try to include a mix of steady state and interval cardio in your weekly routine for the best results. Strength training is crucial for sustainable fat loss. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Focus on compound movements like squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows, which work multiple muscle groups at once. Aim to strength train at least 2 to 3 times per week. Don't worry about getting bulky. Strength training helps you achieve a lean, toned look while supporting long-term fat loss. While you can't spot reduce belly fat, strengthening your core muscles improves posture, stability, and overall appearance. Include exercises like planks, bicycle crunches, and leg raises in your routine. A strong core supports all your movements and can help prevent injuries. Remember, visible abs are made in the kitchen. Combine core workouts with proper nutrition for the best results. A balanced workout routine might include 3 days of cardio, 2 days of strength training, and 1 or 2 days focused on core exercises. For example, you could do brisk walking or cycling on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, strength training on Tuesday and Thursday, and core work on Saturday. Always include rest days to allow your body to recover and prevent burnout. Adjust the schedule to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Quality sleep is often underestimated in fat loss. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, making it harder to lose belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, create a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Prioritizing sleep will help you recover from workouts, manage stress, and make better food choices. Chronic stress increases levels of cortisol, a hormone that can promote fat storage around the abdomen. Managing stress is essential for losing belly fat. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Make time for hobbies and activities you enjoy. By reducing stress, you'll not only feel better, but also support your fat loss goals. Mindful eating means paying attention to your food and eating habits. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions like TV or smartphones during meals. Mindful eating helps prevent overeating and makes meals more satisfying. Over time, this practice can lead to healthier food choices and support sustainable fat loss. Crash diets promise quick results, but are rarely sustainable. They often lead to muscle loss, slowed metabolism, and rapid weight regain. Instead, focus on making gradual, healthy changes to your eating and exercise habits. Sustainable fat loss is about building a lifestyle you can maintain, not following extreme restrictions. Patience and consistency will get you the results you want. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Use a journal, app, or photos to record your meals, workouts, and measurements. Celebrate small victories along the way, like improved energy or better sleep. Remember, progress isn't always linear. Focus on long-term trends rather than daily fluctuations. Tracking keeps you accountable and helps you stay on course. Consistency is the secret to lasting fat loss. It's better to make small, sustainable changes you can stick with than to go all in for a week and then quit. Build healthy habits into your daily routine. And don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, every healthy choice adds up over time. Stay patient, trust the process, and keep moving forward. Having support from friends, family, or a community can make your fat loss journey easier and more enjoyable. Share your goals with others, join a fitness group, or find a workout buddy. Encouragement and accountability help you stay on track, especially when motivation dips. Remember, you're not alone. Reach out and connect with others who share your goals. It's normal to hit a plateau where progress slows or stalls. Don't get discouraged. This is part of the process. reassess your nutrition and exercise routine, and make small adjustments if needed. Sometimes, increasing activity or tweaking your calorie intake can help you break through. Stay patient and persistent, and remember that plateaus are temporary. Supplements aren't necessary for fat loss, but some people find them helpful. Protein powder can be convenient if you struggle to meet your protein needs. Other supplements, like green tea extract or caffeine, may have a minor effect, but they're not magic solutions. Always prioritize whole foods and consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement. Remember, there's no substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Alcohol can hinder your fat loss efforts by adding empty calories and affecting your metabolism. It also lowers inhibitions, making it easier to overeat. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and opt for lower calorie options. Be mindful of mixers, which can be high in sugar. Reducing alcohol intake can help you reach your belly fat loss goals faster. Learning to read nutrition labels helps you make informed choices. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and ingredients. Watch out for hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Understanding labels empowers you to choose foods that support your fat loss goals and avoid those that don't. The more you know, the easier it is to build a healthy, sustainable diet. Eating out doesn't have to derail your progress. Look for grilled, baked, or steamed options instead of fried. Ask for dressings and sauces on the side and watch portion sizes. Don't be afraid to customize your order to fit your needs. Enjoy your meal, but stay mindful of your choices. With a little planning, you can stick to your fat loss goals even when dining out. Meal prepping is a powerful tool for staying on track. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare healthy meals and snacks. This saves time, reduces stress, and makes it easier to stick to your nutrition goals. Use simple recipes and batch cook staples like grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, and whole grains. Having healthy options ready to go helps you avoid unhealthy choices when you're busy or tired. Smart grocery shopping sets you up for success. Make a list before you go and stick to it. Shop the perimeter of the store for fresh produce, lean proteins, and dairy. Avoid shopping when you're hungry to reduce impulse buys. Reading labels and choosing whole foods over processed options will help you build a healthy, fat loss-friendly kitchen. Cravings are normal, but you can manage them. Identify triggers, stress, boredom, or certain environments, and find healthier ways to cope. Keep nutritious snacks on hand, and allow yourself occasional treats in moderation. Sometimes, cravings signal a need for rest or hydration. By understanding and managing cravings, you'll stay in control and avoid derailing your progress. Establishing a routine helps make healthy habits automatic. Set regular times for meals, exercise, and sleep. Consistency reduces decision fatigue and makes it easier to stick to your plan. Over time, these routines become second nature, supporting your fat loss goals without constant effort. Remember, routines are the backbone of sustainable change. Fat loss isn't just about the number on the scale. Celebrate non-scale victories like increased energy, better sleep, improved mood, or fitting into old clothes. These wins show that your efforts are paying off, even if the scale doesn't move right away. Focusing on overall well-being keeps you motivated and reinforces healthy habits. Motivation can fluctuate, but having a clear reason for your goals helps you stay focused. Write down why you want to lose belly fat, whether it's for health, confidence, or energy. Remind yourself of your progress and visualize your success. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep your goals visible. Motivation may come and go, but commitment keeps you moving forward. Setbacks are a normal part of any journey. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up or give up. Reflect on what happened, learn from it, and get back on track. Progress is rarely a straight line. What matters is your ability to keep going. Be kind to yourself and remember that every day is a new opportunity to make healthy choices. If you're struggling to lose belly fat despite your best efforts, consider seeking help from a registered dietitian, personal trainer, or healthcare provider. They can provide personalized guidance, identify underlying issues, and help you create a plan that works for you. There's no shame in asking for support sometimes. Expert advice is exactly what you need to reach your goals. There are many myths about losing belly fat. Spot reduction doesn't work, and no single food or exercise will magically melt fat away. Quick fixes and fad diets often lead to disappointment. Sustainable fat loss comes from a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Don't fall for gimmicks, focus on proven strategies for real results. Genetics play a role in where your body stores fat and how quickly you lose it. Some people naturally carry more weight around their midsection. While you can't change your genetics, you can control your habits and environment. Focus on what you can influence: nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Over time, Healthy habits will help you reach your best possible results. The key to lasting fat loss is making changes you can maintain for life. Instead of drastic diets or extreme workouts, focus on building a balanced lifestyle. Enjoy a variety of foods, stay active, get enough rest, and manage stress. These habits not only help you lose belly fat, but also improve your overall health and happiness. Your environment can make or break your fat loss efforts. Stock your kitchen with healthy foods, keep workout gear visible, and create routines that support your goals. Surround yourself with people who encourage your healthy choices. By shaping your environment, you make it easier to stick to your plan and avoid temptations. Life is unpredictable, and your routine may need to adapt. Travel, work changes, or family events can disrupt your habits. Plan ahead when possible, and be flexible with your approach. Even small efforts like walking more or making healthier food choices add up. Adaptability is key to staying on track, no matter what life throws your way. Approach fat loss as a long-term journey, not a quick fix. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate your achievements, learn from setbacks, and keep your eyes on your goals. A long-term mindset helps you stay motivated and resilient, making it easier to maintain your results for life. Let's recap the most important strategies for losing belly fat fast and sustainably. Focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and stress management. Track your progress, stay consistent, and build habits you can maintain for life. Remember, sustainable fat loss is about making healthy choices every day, not following extreme measures. With patience and persistence, you'll achieve your goals and enjoy lasting results. Congratulations on taking the first step toward a healthier you. Remember, losing belly fat is a journey that requires commitment, patience, and self-compassion. Focus on building habits that support your well-being, and don't be afraid to seek support when you need it. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Your sustainable fat loss journey starts now. Believe in yourself and enjoy the process.